What's the best way to get from Incheon Airport to Seoul Station? The answer is depends on the time of your arrival. In this video, I will share the best way to get to Seoul, how to save money, and how to avoid getting stuck on the way. If you're worried your flight might be delayed and don't want to spend big bucks on a taxi, I have good news for you. We will dive into everything you need to know about the Airport Railroad Express or AREX, the all-stop train, airport buses and taxis. Plus, I will share insider tips on discounts, must-know travel hacks, and even more hidden gems to explore at both Incheon Airport and Seoul Station. Let's get started! As Incheon International Airport is the most famous airport in South Korea, it is no surprise that there are numerous ways to reach Seoul Station. Most travelers choose the AREX, but we will also explain how to travel via taxi and bus. The Airport Railroad Express or AREX runs directly from Incheon Airport Terminal 1 and 2 to Seoul Station with no stops. From Terminal 1, AREX takes 43 minutes to Seoul Station, and from Terminal 2, 51 minutes. The fare currently is 13,000 Korean won for adults and 9,500 for kids, but you get a special discount if you book online. Only book in advance if you're 100% sure that your flight will be on time and you have correctly calculated the time you need to get through the customs and collect your luggage. One of the best benefits of using the Express AREX is convenience. If you're traveling with Jeju Air, Korean Air, Asiana Airlines, T-Way Air, and EasterJet within 7 days, you're eligible for a special discount on AREX. Keep your AREX Express tickets as you can get special discounts at various attractions. You can check their website to see what's currently discounted. At the moment of recording this video, you can get 20% off at Lotte World The Sky and 30% at the Lotte World Adventure, Lotte World Aquarium, and the Live Museum. You can also take the all-stop train, which has 14 stops between Incheon Airport to Seoul Station. To take this train, passengers need a single-use or multi-use transportation card. International visitors are also eligible to use foreign exclusive prepaid transportation cards, such as M-Pass or WOW Pass, that can be purchased at the KTO Tourist Information Center. Here are a couple of things to consider when you decide to use the all-stop or AREX Express train. The AREX Express train runs every 20-30 minutes. During busy hours, the next couple of trains might be sold out, so if you want to arrive fast at Seoul Station, your better option is the all-stop train. The time you will save on AREX Express might be eaten out by the time you need to wait for the next train at the airport. It takes 60 minutes with all-stop and 45 minutes with AREX, so you can do the math. It might not be a good idea to wait too long for the express service. If you're cost sensitive, then all-stop train is almost 3 times cheaper. Plus, you will get a taste of how the metro system in Seoul works and how to behave while in the train. If you're looking for convenience and time is not an issue, I recommend taking the AREX Express. Even if you have to wait a bit, there's so much you can do at Incheon Airport. But I will come back to this a bit later in this video. Airport buses are a great option to reach more specific areas of the city, including Seoul's most famous tourist spots. And while the buses might run into traffic from time to time, the dedicated bus lines help push travelers along with not much delay. Think of it as a pre-scheduled mass shuttle service to popular tourist spots and major hotels in the city. If your hotel is on the route of one of those airport buses, this might be my favorite way to reach my accommodation. Airport bus tickets can be purchased at the ticket booth just outside of the arrival hall in each terminal. You can also speak to staff members about more detailed bus routes and stops. Staff members typically speak Korean, English, Japanese, and Chinese. There are two types of airport buses, deluxe and standard. Deluxe buses operate on shortened routes to major hotels with fewer stops. Additionally, the seats are more comfortable and offer more legroom. Standard buses make more stops and have smaller seats. Bus fares might differ depending on their routes, but both buses will stop at Seoul Station. If you get lucky, you can also take the free of charge Olive Young Shuttle Bus. Don't be surprised that the one and only stop of this bus is right next to the flagship Olive Young Myeongdong shop. You can literally live to the viral travel with empty luggage to Seoul reels and get it full right away. Check the required bus route and purchase your ticket at the ticket booth. Check the bus boarding number on the front of the ticket. Head outside and find the boarding location with the same number. The announcement will state the stop in English. Listen carefully so you don't miss your stop. If you think that trains and buses can be overwhelming, the taxis are always an option from Incheon Airport. Just be careful to know the difference between deluxe taxis, which cost significantly more but offer more comfort, and regular taxis, often white, orange, and gray in color. Jumbo taxis are also available for those who require wheelchair access or are traveling in a large party. International taxis are handy for those who need a driver who speaks English, Japanese, or Chinese, but they usually charge almost double of the standard taxi price. How much does it cost to get by taxi to Seoul Station? It depends on the traffic and the road conditions, but expect around $70 to $80 one way. If you feel that your taxi driver has taken advantage of you by raising the fare, please report the incident to Seoul Global Center. Photo proof will help the situation move along faster. Be sure to take note of the taxi number or license plate. Now to the good stuff. This all applies if you arrive at Incheon Airport at a time when the public services are actually running. What if you get too late and there are no trains or buses? Is a taxi your only way to Seoul? Actually, there are special night buses that operate out of Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Besides Seoul Station, there are buses that go to Dongdaemun Design Plaza in northern Seoul, as well as Chamsil Lotte World in southern Seoul. They have fixed schedules couple of times a night, with more buses going from Terminal 1 than from Terminal 2. It costs around 17,000 won, so it's a great alternative to the pricey night taxi service. Besides the limousine-style night buses that are a bit expensive but go directly with fewer stops to central Seoul and other areas where tourists might need to end, the regular night buses are a cheaper alternative. But expect you will need to change once or twice and may end up waiting for the connection for 20-30 minutes. Consider this option if you travel with a backpack and saving money is your hobby. Now that we've covered all major ways to get to Seoul Station from Incheon Airport, let me show you what you can do at the airport if you have time to spare before your choice of transportation arrives. There are plenty of things to do in Incheon Airport during a layover or when you're in the mood to explore. Here are our top choices of attractions at Incheon Airport. Korea is famous for its spicy flavors, sticky rice cakes, and overly sweet desserts. You don't have to wait until you reach the big city to give these a try. Incheon Airport offers a wide range of cafes and restaurants for foodies. Head to the food court for more traditional options such as kimchi, noodles, and bibimbap. You can even find a Shake Shack here. Most of the dining options are available 24/7 hours, making Incheon Airport a great place to fill up your stomach at any time of the day. Skincare, makeup, traditional goods, oh my! Korea's duty-free areas have it all and more. If you're in the mood to try some Korean snacks on your journey into Seoul, or you're looking for a perfect gift before heading back home, Incheon Airport is a great place for last-minute shopping. You can also find unique remedies and vitamins and the airport's pharmacies and discounted K-beauty options. Believe me or not, there is Olive Young at the airport, so don't blame me that you've been on a shopping spree even before you reaching Seoul. Traveling can be hard, and it's certainly not easy on our bodies. You can enjoy the relaxing benefits of Parna Spa located inside Incheon Airport. Or you can pamper yourself in the absolutely stunning Simmer Spa Center in Paradise City Resort, just 5 minutes by bus or taxi from the airport. You can start or end your journey to Seoul in style. Who would have guessed that the airport was a cultural hotspot? Incheon Airport boasts beautiful artwork and occasional live performances for its travelers. Take a tour around the terminal to see work from both local and international artists. Both before and after security control, there's so much to see and experience. If you have some time to spare before your AREX Express train, visit the Tourist Center or the K-Culture Museum. Seoul Station is one of the biggest stations in South Korea's capital city, which means there are plenty of things to do and see around the area. If you've got some time to kill before traveling to your hotel, here are our top 5 things to do near Seoul Station. Just outside of Seoul Station is the acclaimed walking path Seoul 7017. Also known as Seoul Sky Park, this pathway is built on the former highway pass and features 24,000 different species of plants. It's only 1 kilometer long, so you don't have to wander around for too long. Culture Station Seoul 284 is one of the most recognizable features in the city. The old train station has now been converted into a museum and gallery directly attached to the new Seoul Station. Head there to check out the ornate architecture as well as its art gallery, cafe and events. Inside Seoul Station is the Lotte Outlets, where you can shop for over 140 famous brands at discounted prices. Seoul is famous for its coffee shops, and Seoul Station continues that trend. There are plenty of famous brands located inside the station, so pick one and spare some time over coffee. However you decide to reach Seoul Station from Incheon Airport, we hope you have a safe journey. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email or leave a comment below. Happy travels!